Hello, I'm Carlos Lezana, and I want to introduce our new three-phase transformer-less inverter for commercial application with 3 different power models from 10, 15 and 20 kilowatts and 2 MPPTs. It features a maximum DC voltage of 1100 volts and an MPPT voltage range of 160 up to 1000 volts, also with a maximum efficiency rating of 98%. One of its main novelties is the EMS, the energy management system, that it integrates with Wi-Fi and Ethernet communication, also with a QR code in the dongle communication to scan with our smartphone application INGECON SUN monitor in order to develop the inverter startup and also to connect to the inverter's Wi-Fi network. Apart from that, it integrates the best protections such as DC switch, Type 2 surge arresters DC and AC, and also leakage current protection. So all of which makes it the best solution for commercial self-consumption systems.
INGECON, electrifying a sustainable future.